Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you to the launch of India's first online learning portal to develop tomorrow's workforce. At EduBridge, our mission is to empower youth to impact India's future by walking with them towards a better life. And we want to be the first choice provider of high quality skill and career development in every corner of India. We aim at building careers of tomorrow, building tomorrow's workforce. Merging latest technology, pedagogy, and services, EduBridge is creating an immersive learning experience anytime, anywhere. We thank you for joining us as we unveil and launch our online learning portal, edubridgeindia.com. It's www.edubridgeindia.com. You know, at the heart of all of the workforce development and vocational training lies the trainer, the guru, the learned, dedicated, selfless, and resilient human being who possesses knowledge and the power to bring change. Today, in the honor and with full glory and pride, we dedicate this special event to all the trainers and teachers who have been associated with EduBridge, and we celebrate today, 5th of September, Teachers' Day, with all of you. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. They say, do difficult things while they're easy, and do great things while they're small. Because the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Believe us when we say this, our journey has not been simple. It's not been a simple journey of progress. There have been many ups and downs, and it has been the choices that we've made at each of those times that has helped us, shaped us into what we have achieved today. You know, there's some very interesting information with me that I have today. More than 15 million youth are looking to enter the workforce each year. But there are not as many employment opportunities. They're not employable. COVID-19 has only aggravated this situation. Since we are talking about beliefs, amongst us is someone who believes people empowerment is the key to sustainable development and skill development. This is what people empowerment is all about. I'd like to introduce you today to Ms. Jacqueline Novogratz. She is an American entrepreneur and an author. She's the founder and CEO of Acumen, a non-profit global venture capital fund whose goal is to use entrepreneurial approaches to address global poverty. The Global Forbes magazine named Ms. Novogratz as one of the 100 greatest living business minds in the world. With the global paradigm shift towards the virtual learning, there is a very clear need for players in the market who not only train the workforce of the country, but they also help them to get their dream jobs. In the end, it's all about the jobs. Let us hear from Ms. Novogratz about the importance of workforce development in India today. She will also share with us what she thinks about global workforce development and workforce development in India. Let's hear in.